Is inflation high? I think you can answer this. The second one is going to be more difficult. Is inflation stable? Can you answer this question directly, or you will ask me further question, which inflation I am talking about? If you see here, core inflation, which is represented by the red line here, core inflation is declining over a period of time, which is inflation, increase in the prices of goods and services for items excluding food and fuel. So energy is not included, food is not included. Why? Because you see the volatility here in say food inflation, the green line here, this is not stable. And because of the volatility in the food inflation, you can also see that the headline inflation, normally when we use the word inflation, CPI, consumer price index, we talk about headline inflation, and this also become little volatile. Though overall, if you see the trend of headline inflation, this is in the right direction. It is declining, coming to RBI target of 4%. And one interesting point here is India is a very high growth but low inflation economy if you compare India with countries like Russia, Brazil, Mexico, even UK today has higher inflation than India. This side it is inflation, and GDP growth much more higher. This makes India a bright spot in the global economy, and lot of foreign investment is coming to India. Our stock markets are booming. We remain to be a fast growing country. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. We are here to make your job preparation 50% faster.